Okay, students, good morning. Today we do some question from Vedanta Exercise in Mathematics, class 7, unit 8. Topic is profit and loss. Solution of exercise 8.1, page 128. Let's start from question number 1a. If CP equals to rupees 300, SP equals to rupees 330, then profit equals to question mark. Here profit equals to SP minus CP by using this formula, or profit equals to SP is 330 minus CP is 300 equals to 30. Therefore, profit equals to rupees 30. 1B, CP is rupees 420. CP is 420. SP is rupees 400. Loss equals to question mark. Here loss equals to CP minus SP is equal to 420 minus 400 equal to rupees 20. Therefore, loss equal to rupees 20. 1C, CP equal to rupees 450. Profit equal to rupees 100. SP equal to question mark. Here profit equal to SP minus CP, or profit is 100, SP we have to find minus CP, that is 450, or 100 plus 450 equal to SP. Therefore, SP equal to rupees 550. Now 1D. One day we have if CP equal to 200, loss equal to rupees 20, then we have to find SP. SP equal to question mark. Here we have the formula loss equal to CP minus SP, or loss is 20 equal to CP, that is 200 minus SP, or SP equal to 200 minus 20. Therefore, SP equal to rupees 180. Now 1E. On E, here SP equal to 800, SP equal to 800, profit equal to 100, we have to find CP. CP equal to question mark. Here we have the formula. Profit equal to SP minus CP, or profit is 100 equal to SP is 800 minus CP, or CP equal to 800 minus 100. Therefore, CP equal to rupees 700. Now, for 1F we have SP is 700. Loss is 70. We have to find CP. CP equal to question mark. Here, loss equal to CP minus SP, or 70 equal to CP minus SP is 700, or 70 plus 700 equal to CP. Therefore, CP equal to rupees 770. Okay, students, now we go to question number 2. Question number 2A. Here CP is 100. Profit is rupees 5. You have to find profit percent. Profit percent equal to question mark. Here, profit percent divided by P% equal to profit upon CP into 100%. Profit is rupees 5. CP is 100 into 100%. 100 cancel out, that is 5%. Now for 2B. And 2B we have, if CP is 100, CP is 100, then loss is rupees 10. We have to find loss percent. Loss percent equal to question mark. Here we have the formula to find loss percent. Loss percent L percent equal to loss upon CP into 100%. Now this equal to loss is 10 upon CP is 100 into 100%. 100 cancel out, that is 10%. Loss percent is 10%. Now to see, and see if CP is 100, CP is 100, SP is 120, so we have to find profit percent. Profit percent equal to question mark. Here we have the formula to find the profit percent. Profit percent, that is P% equal to SP minus CP whole upon CP into 100%. Now we have put the value of SP and CP. SP is 120 minus CP is 100 all upon CP is 100 into 100%. Then this equals to 120 minus 100, that is 20 upon 100 into 100%. 100 cancel out, remaining 20%. This is the profit percent. Now 2D. On 2D, we have CP is rupees 100. SP is rupees 80. We have to find loss percent. Loss percent equal to question mark. Here we have the formula to find loss percent. Loss percent L percent equal to CP minus SP whole upon CP into 100%. Now CP is given is 100 minus SP is 80 whole upon CP, that is 100 into 100%. This equal to 100 minus 80, 20 upon 100 into 100%. 100 cancel out, remaining 20%. That is the last question. Now we go to next question, question number 3. Question number 3. Here, CP is rupees 100. Profit percent is 12%. You have to find SP. SP equal to question mark. Here we have the formula to find SP. SP equals to CP plus 40% of CP. CP is 100 plus 40% is 12% of CP. CP is 100. This equal to 100 plus 12 by 100 into 100. 100 cancel out. So this equal to rupees 100, that is S. Now 3B. On 3B we have CP is rupees 100. Loss percent is 8%. We have to find SP. SP equal to question mark. Here we have the formula to find loss percent to find SP. SP equal to CP minus loss percent of CP. CP is 100 minus loss percent is 8% of CP. CP is 100 equal to 100 minus 8 by 100 into 100. 100 cancel out. 100 minus 8, that is rupees 92. That is the SP. Now we go to next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. We have if CP CP is rupees 150. Profit is rupees 12. You have to find profit percent. Profit percent equal to question mark. Here we have the formula to find profit percent. Profit percent P% equal to profit divided by CP into 100%. Here profit is 12, CP is 150 into 100%. This equal to 50 to the 53 the and 3 for the, so 4 to the 8. Profit percent is 8%. Now for B, if CP is 440, loss is 22. You have to find loss percent. Loss percent equal to question mark. Here we have the formula to find loss percent. Loss percent PL percent equal to loss divided by CP into 100%. Loss is 22 upon CP is 440 into 100%. 0 0 cancel out. 22 to the 44. So 10 by 2, that is 5. So loss percent is 5%. Now next question 4C. On 4C, if CP equal to 360, SP is 396, you have to find profit and profit percent. Profit equal to question mark and profit percent equal to question mark. Here profit equal to, we have the formula of profit equal to SP minus CP. Now SP is 396 minus CP is 360. This equal to rupees 36. And we have to find profit percent. And profit percent, that is P percent, equal to profit by CP into 100%. Profit is 36 upon CP is 360 into 100%. 36 10 is 360 and 100 divided by 10, 10. So 10% is the profit percent. Now for D, on 4D, if CP is 700, SP is 665. and we have to find loss and loss percent. So loss equal question mark, loss percent equal question mark. Now it's solution. Here you know that loss equal to CP minus SP. CP is 700 minus SP is 665. This is equal to rupees 35. And loss percent equal to loss percent, that is L percent, equal to loss upon CP into 100%. Loss is rupees 35 upon CP is 700 into 100%. 0 cancel out. 35 to the 70. So 10 divided by 2, 5. So loss percent is 5%. Now for E, we have CP is 590 and profit is rupees 75. And we have to find SP. SP equals to question mark. Here we have to formula profit equal to SP minus CP, or profit is 75 equal to SP minus CP is 590, or 75 plus 590 equal to SP. Therefore, SP equal to 665 rupees. 665. Now way up. On way up we have CP is 630. CP is 630. Loss is rupees 48. Loss is 48. You have to find SP. Here we have the formula loss equal to CP minus SP, or loss is given as 48 equal to CP 630 minus SP, or SP equal to 630 minus 48. Therefore, SP equals to 10 minus 8, 2, then 12 minus 4, 8, then 5. It will be 582 is the required SP. Now you go to next question, question number 5. Okay students, now question number 5. On question number 5 we have CP is 280. Profit percent is 10%. Find profit amount. here we have the formula to find profit amount. Profit amount equal to profit percent of CP. Profit percent is 10%, so 10% of CP is 280 equal to 10 upon 100 into 280. That equal to rupees 28. Now 5B, we have CP equal to 810. Loss percent is 20%. We have to find loss amount. Loss amount equal to question mark. Here the formula to find loss amount is loss amount equal to loss percent of CP. This equal to loss percent is 20%, so 20% of CP is 810 equal to 20 upon 100 into 810 equal to rupees 162. That is the loss amount. Now 5C. On 5C we have CP is 900. Profit percent is 8%. Profit percent is 8%. You have to find profit amount in SP. Profit amount equal to question mark and SP equal to question mark. Here profit amount equal to profit percent of CP. Profit percent is 8% of CP is 900. 8 by 100 into 900 equal to rupees 72. And SP equal to CP plus profit amount. CP is 900 plus profit amount is 72. So SP is rupees 972. Now 5D. If CP is 1500, CP equal to 1500. Loss percent is 7%. Loss percent equal to 7%. Then we have to find loss amount in SP. Loss amount equal to question mark. SP equal to question mark. Here we have the formula to find loss amount. Loss amount equal to loss percent of CP. Loss percent is 7%, so 7% of CP is 1500. 7 by 100 into 1500 is equal to rupees 105 is the loss amount. And SP equal to CP minus loss. So CP is 1500 minus loss is 105 is equal to rupees 1395. Now we go to question number 6. Question number 6A, we have SP is 210, profit percent is 5%, profit percent is 5%, CP equal to rupees X times CP. Here the formula CP equal to SP upon 100 plus profit percent. Equal to SP is 210 upon 100 plus profit, that is 5%. Equal to 210 upon 105. We have to find CP. SP equal to CP plus profit percent of CP, or 210 equal to CP X plus profit percent is 5% of X, or 210 equal to X plus 5% of X, that is 5 by 100 into X, or 210 equal to X plus 0.05 X, or 210 equal to 1 X plus 0.05 X, that is 1.05 X, or X equal to 210 divided by 1.05. Therefore, X equals to, now then this 210 divided by 1.05, that is 200. So CP equal to rupees 200. Now 6B. On 6B we have SP is 315. If SP equal to rupees 315, loss percent 10%, loss percent equal to 10%. You have to find CP. CP equal to rupees X. Find CP. Here the formula SP equal to CP minus loss percent of CP, or SP is 315 equal to CPX minus loss percent 10% of CPX, or 315 equal to X minus 10 by 100 into X, or 315 equal to X minus 0.10 X, or 315 equal to 0.90 X, or X equal to 315 divided by 0.90. First calculate this. 315 divided by 0.90. It becomes 350. Therefore, x equal to rupees 350. So, CP equal to rupees 350. Now, students, we go to the next question. Question number 7. Question number 7. A. SP is 132. Profit percent is 10%. 3%. Profit percent is 10%. Find CP. CP equal to question mark. Here we have the formula to find CP. CP equal to SP upon SP into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent. SP is 132 into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent. Profit percent value is 10. So 13200 upon 110. Now calculate this. $120. So CP is rupees 120. Now 7B, SP equal to 325. Profit percent is 25%. CP equal to question mark. Here we have the formula to find CP. CP equal to SP into 100 1 upon 100 plus profit percent. SP is 325 into 100 upon 100 plus value of profit percent is 25. 325 0 upon 100 25. Now calculate this. You can get 32500 divided by 125 260. So CP is 260. Now next question. On 7C we have SP is 264. Loss percent is 12%. Loss percent, L percent is 12%. We have to find CP. CP equal to question mark. Here is loss percent, so we have the formula CP equal to SP into 100 1 upon 100 minus loss percent. In case of profit, profit percent. In case of loss, minus loss percent. So this equal to SP 264 into 100 upon 100 minus value of loss percent is 12, so minus 12. 26400 upon 100 minus 12, that is 88. Now calculating this by any calculator. 26400 divided by 88. It becomes rupees 300. So CP is rupees 300. Now 70. On 70 we have SP is 425. Loss percent is 15%. Then CP equal to question mark. Here the formula to find CP. CP equal to SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. SP is 425 into 100 1 upon 100 minus value of loss percent is 15, so minus 15. 42500 upon 85. So if I calculate this, you can get 42500 divided by 85. It becomes 500. So CP is rupees 500. Now we go to question number 8. Number 8A, the question is, constitutional buys one dozen of pens ₹8.20 each, and sells them ₹8.25 each. Find is profit and profit percent. Find is profit and profit percent. Now a solution. Here CP of 1 pen equal to ₹20. Therefore CP of 1 dozen, that means 12. 1 dozen pen, that is 12 pens. We know that 1 dozen, that is 12. CP of 12 pens equal to 12 into rupees 20, rupees 240. SP of 1 pen equal to rupees 25. Therefore, SP of 1 dozen pens equal to 12 into rupees 25. This equal to rupees 12 into 25. That is 300. Or rupees 300. Now, profit equal to SP minus CP. SP of 12 pence, that is 300, minus CP of 12 pence, that is 240, equal to rupees 60. And profit percent equal to profit upon CP into 100%. Profit is 60 upon CP of 12 pence, that is 240, into 100%. This equal to 6 4 are 24. 100 upon 4, that is 25. 25%. So thus his profit is rupees 60 and profit percent is 25%. Now next question 8b. On 8b, the question is a grocer purchased 5 dozen of eggs. Rupees 12 each. Ten eggs were broken. 10 eggs were broken, and he sold the remaining 8 rupees 14 each. Fine. The first question is number 1. Is total profit or loss? Is total profit or loss? Number 2. Profit or loss percent? Profit or loss percent? Now its solution. Here CP of 1 egg equal to rupees 12. Therefore, CP of 5 dozen of eggs, 5 dozen, that is 1 dozen is 12. 12 5 the 60. 5 into 12 equal to 60. CP of 60 eggs equal to 60 into rupees 12. So rupees 720. Number of broken eggs equal to 10. Therefore, number of good eggs equal to 60 minus 10. Total eggs are 5 dozen, that is 60. So 60 minus 10, 50. SP of 1 egg. SP of 1 egg is rupees 14. Therefore, SP of 50 eggs equal to 50 into rupees 14 equal to rupees 700. Now the CP is 720, but SP is 700. So SP is less than CP, so there is loss. Now for I, total loss. We go to CP minus SP. PCP is 720. SP is 700. We go to rupees 20. And for 2 is profit or loss percent. Here is loss, so loss percent. Loss percent equal to total loss upon CP into 100%. Total loss is 20 upon the CP was 720 into 100%. Now calculate this. By 9%. This is equal to 2 whole 10 by 9%. So is total loss is rupees 20 and loss percent is 207 by 9%. Now we go to next question. 8C. On 8C, the question is, a fruit seller sold kg of oranges at the rate of rupees 80 per kg. And gain rupees 800. Calculate number 1 is purchasing rate. Number 2, profit percent. Our solution. Here selling price of one orange equal to 1 kg of orange equal to rupees 80. Therefore, selling price of 50 kg of oranges equal to 50 into rupees 80 equal to rupees 4,000. Gained profit equal to rupees 800. Now for one, profit equal to SP minus CP, or profit is 800 equal to SP 4000 minus CP, or CP equal to 4000 minus 800. Therefore CP equal to rupees 3200. Now we have to find purchasing rate on one. Then purchasing rate equal to CP upon quantity 50. So rupees 3200 upon 50 per kg. Now divided 3200 CP, total CP divided by quantity 50 kg, 64. So rupees 64 per kg. Again or 2. On 2 we have to find profit percent. Profit percent equal to profit upon CP into 100%. His profit is 800 upon his CP is 10,200 into 100%. Now it becomes, that means this 800 into 100 divided by 3200. That is 25%. So his profit percent is 25%. So profit percent is 25%, and the percent rate is purchasing rate is rupees 64 per kg. Okay, student, now we go to next question. Question number 8D. On 8D, question is, a vegetable seller purchased 1 quintal of potatoes. ₹35 per kg. Is ₹35 per kg, and sold at a loss of ₹350. Find is, first question, rate of selling price. selling price. Number 2, loss percent. Okay, students, now its solution. Here, seller purchase 1 kg of potatoes at the rate of 35 per kg. So, CP of 1 kg of potato equal to rupees 35. Therefore, CP of 1 quintal, that is 100 kg of potato is equal to 100 into rupees 35 equal to rupees 6,500. And loss, his loss is 350. Loss amount of loss equal to rupees 350. Now, for one we have to find rate of selling price. So that loss amount equal to CP minus SP. Loss amount is 350 equal to CP. This total CP is 2,500 minus SP, or SP equal to 2,500 minus 350. Therefore, SP equal to, now subtract this, 6,500 minus 350. It becomes 6,150. Then rate of selling price. Rate of selling price equal to total SP 6,150 divided by total quantity, that is 100 kg. So 100 equal to rupees 31.50 per kg. So rate of selling price is, the rate of selling price is rupees 31.50 per kg. For to loss percent, again for to loss percent equal to loss amount upon CP into 100%. His loss amount is 350 upon total CP is CP of 1 quintal of potatoes 3,500 into 100%. It becomes 10%. So last percent is 10%. Okay, students, now we go to question number 9. So 9A. Mrs. Sister bought a fancy item for rupees 720. And so that a 10% profit. And first question is find out profit amount. Find out profit amount. Number 2, find the selling price of the item. Find the selling price of the item. Now, the solution. Solution here. Bought a fancy item for rupees 720. So, cost price for a fancy item, cost price CP equal to rupees 720. Now, part 1. Profit percent is 10%. Profit percent P% equal to 10%. For I, we have to find profit amount. Profit amount equal to profit percent of CP. Profit percent is 10%, so 10% of CP is 720. Equal to 10 by 100 into 720. It becomes rupees 72. So what profit amount is rupees 72. Or 2, find the selling price of the item. SP equal to CP plus profit amount. CP is 720. Profit amount is 72. Equal to rupees 792. So the selling price of the item is rupees 792. Now we go to next question, 9B. On 9B, the question is, a retailer purchased a mobile for rupees 3,250 and sold it at 4% loss. Now first question is, number 1, find its loss amount. Find its loss amount. Number 2, at what price did he sell the mobile? At what price did he sell the mobile? Now his solution. that is purchase price, rupees 3,250. And loss percent 12% is 4%. Now our first question 1, find loss amount. Loss amount equal to loss percent of CP, that is 4% of CP is 3,250 equal to 4 by 100 into 3,250. Let us calculate this by using calculator. 4 divided by 100 into 3,250. It becomes rupees 130. So his loss amount is rupees 130. Again for 2. Second part is, at what price did he sell the mobile? So you have to find selling price. SP equal to CP minus loss amount. CP is 3,250 minus loss amount is 130 equal to rupees 3,120. So he sold the mobile for rupees 3,120. Okay, students, now we go to next question. 9C. On 9C, question is, on a mall buys and owns bicycle. For rupees 4,500. And he spends rupees 500 to repair it. Rupees 500 to repair it. If he sells it at 25% profit, find the selling price of the bicycle. Find the selling price of the bicycle. Now your solution. For an old bicycle, cost price should be equal to rupees 4,500 plus he spends for repair rupees 500. Its cost price is 4,500 plus repair price, so it becomes rupees 5,000. And profit percent is 25%. Profit percent P% equal to 25%. Now we have to find selling price. Now we know that SP equal to CP plus 20% of CP. 5,000 plus 25% of 5,000. 5,000 plus 25,500 into 5,000. 5,000 plus 1,250. This is equal to rupees 6,200. So the selling price of the bicycle is rupees 6,250. Now we go to next question. 9D. The question is, Asma purchased a second-hand scooter. Asma purchased a second-hand scooter for rupees 1,52,000. For rupees 1,52,000. She spent rupees 8,000. She spent rupees 8,000 to repair it. And so did it 3% loss. At what price did she sell the scooter? At what price did she sell the scooter? Now its solution. Here for a second hand scooter, cost price CP equal to 1,52,000 plus repair cost 8,000 rupees. 8,000 equal to rupees 1,60,000. Its loss percentage 12%. That is 3%. Now we have to find selling price. SP equal to CP minus loss percent of CP. CP is 1,60,000 minus loss percent 3% of 1,60,000 equal to 1,60,000 minus 3 by 100 into 1,60,000. This equal to 1,60,000 minus, now calculate this, 48,000. This is what rupees 1,60,000 minus 48,000. 1,12,000 rupees 1,12,000. So she sold the scooter for rupees 1,12,000. Only 30% of 1,06,000, that is not 40,000, 4,800. So that is now subtraction 1,60,000 minus 4,800. 1,55,200. So 1,55,200. So she sold the scooter for rupees 1,55,200. This is the answer. Now we go to next question. Question number 10A. On 10A we have Mr. Agrawal is in electrical shop. Mr. Agrawal is in electrical shop. He sold a tube light for rupees 240. A 20% profit. A 20% profit. Find the cost price of the tube light. Find the cost price of the tube light. Now its solution. Okay, so now solution of 10. Solution here for a tube light. SP selling price SP equal to rupees 240. Profit percent P percent equal to 20%. You have to find cost price CP equal to question mark. Now you know that CP equal to SP into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent. SP is 240 into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent is 20, so plus 20. 24000 upon 120. Now calculate this. You get it becomes 200. CP is rupees 200. So the cost price of the tube light, cost price of the tube light is rupees 200. Now we go to question number 10b. On 10b, the question is Mrs. Sunwar sells digital items. She sold our digital watch. She sold our digital watch for rupees 1,260 for rupees 1,260 and made 10% loss. At what price? At what price did she purchase the watch? Solution here. For a bid the watch selling price SP equal to rupees 1,260 and loss percent L percent equal to 10%. Have to find purchase price, that is cost price equal to question mark. Now you know that cost price equal to SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. SP is 1260, so 1,260 into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent is 10. So loss percent is 10. 100 minus 10. 126,000. 126,000 upon 100 minus 10, 90. Now calculate this. 126,000 divided by 90. 1,400 rupees. 1,400. So she purchased the watch for rupees 1,400. Now we go to question number 11. Question number 11A. The question is Mrs. Gurung bought 50 kg of tomatoes. Mrs. Gurung bought 50 kg of tomatoes for rupees 1,900 from our tunnel farm. And paid rupees 2 per kg for rupees 2 per kg for transporting it to our shop. She found that 10% of tomatoes were. She found that 10% of tomatoes were damaged. She sold the remaining quantity for rupees 60 per kg. For rupees 60 per kg. Then first question is, what is the total cost price of the tomatoes? What is the total cost price of the tomatoes? Second question is, how many kilograms of the tomatoes were damaged? Third question is, calculate the profit or loss percent. Calculate hard profit or loss percent in the total transaction. Now you solution. Solution here. Total quantity of tomatoes equals to 50 kg. Cost of tomatoes equal to rupees 1900. Transportation charge rupees 2 per kg. Transportation charge equal to rupees 2 per kg. Therefore, total transportation charge equal to rupees 2 into 50. Total quantity is 50 kg. So rupees 100. Now for one. First question, what is the total cost price of the tomatoes? Total cost price of tomatoes equal to cost price of tomato, cost price of 50 kg of tomatoes plus total transportation charge. Total transportation plus transportation charge. Total transportation is equal to total transportation charge. Cost price of 50 kg tomato is 1900 plus total transportation charge is 100. Rupees 2000. Total cost price of tomato is rupees 2000. Now second question, how many kilograms of tomatoes were damaged? For 2 quantity of damaged tomatoes. Damaged quantity, that is 10% tomato are damaged, so 10% of total quantity. 10% of total quantity is 50 kg, so 10% of 50 kg, that is 5 kg. 5 kg tomatoes were damaged. Now for the calculate or profit or loss percent in total transaction. For 3, total selling price equal to chicken sold out of 50 kg, 5 kg were damaged, so remaining 45 kg. So total SP equal to 50 minus 5 into selling rate for rupees per kg. So rupees 60 equal to 45 into rupees 60. Total SP is 45 into rupees 60. It becomes to be 2,700. Now in third question, calculate our profit or loss percent. Since the total loss is 2,000, total selling price is 2,700, so SP is more than CP. So profit, there is profit, therefore profit percent equal to SP minus CP all upon CP into 100% is equal to 2,700 minus 2,000 all upon 2,000 into 100%. 700 upon 2,000 into 100%. Now it becomes 35%. So our profit percent is 35%. Our profit percent is 35% in the total transaction. In the total transaction. Now student, next question, 11B. On 11B, the question is, Mr. Bohra purchased quintals of organic apples at Jumla for rupees 17,000 and paid rupees 15, paid rupees 15 per kg in transportation from Jumla to Nepalganj. He found that one by by 20 of the quantity we found that 1 by 20 of the quantity of apples were damaged. He sold the remaining quantity at rupees 120 per kg. Now the first question is number 1. What is the total cost price of apple? What is the total cost price of apples? Number 2. How many kilograms of apple were damaged? How many kilograms of apples were damaged? And third question is number 3. Calculate is profit or loss percent. Calculate is profit or loss percent in the total transaction. In the total transaction. Now solution. Here total quantity of apple. Total quantity of apples equal to 2 quintals. Equal 2 into 100 kg. We know 1 quintal equals 100 kg, so 200 kg. And now what is the total cost price of apple? Transportation, purchase price of calculated apples. Purchase price of 100 kg of apples. Rupees 17,000. Transportation charge. Transportation charge equal to rupees 15 per kg. Therefore, transportation charge, total transportation charge of 200 kg of apples equal to 200 into rupees 15 equal to rupees 10,000. Now for one total cost price of apples. Total cost price of apples equal to total purchase price of 200 kg 17,000 plus transportation charge of 200 kg of apple 30,000 equal to rupees 20,000. For 2, how many kilograms of apple were damaged? 1 by 20 of the total quantity are damaged. So, quantity of damaged apples. You got 1 by 20 of total quantity 200 kg. This is equal to 1 by 20 into 200 kg equal to 10 kg. So 10 kg apples were damaged. Now third question. Calculate is profit or loss portion in total transaction. For 3 total SP. Total SP equal to I can solve total quantity 200 minus damage quantity 10. So 200 minus 10 into the rate of selling price 120 per kg. It becomes 190 into 120. It will be 20,800. It will be 20,800. Since total cost price is 20,000, total selling price is 20,000. So SP is more than CP. So there is profit. Now in turn we have to find percentage, profit percent. Therefore, profit percent equal to SP minus CP 1 over CP into 100%. SP is 20,800 minus CP is 20,000 upon CP 20,000 into 100%. So calculate this 22,000 minus 20,000 divided by 20,000 into 100. It becomes 14%. So there is 14% profit in the total transaction. So there is 14% profit in the total transaction. Now we go to next question. Question number 12. Question number 12 we have. The question is, a shopkeeper purchased a bag for ₹800, a bag for ₹800, and an umbrella for ₹400. If she sold the bag, if she sold the bag at 15% profit, at 15% profit, and umbrella at 15% loss. Find out profit or loss percent. Find out profit or loss percent in whole transaction. In whole transaction. Now Write solution. Solution here. Total CP equal to CP of bag plus CP of umbrella equal to CP of bag 800, CP of umbrella 400, rupees 1200. Total SP equal to SP of bag plus SP of umbrella. On the bag there is 15% profit, but on the umbrella there is 15% loss. So SP of bag is 800 plus 15% of 800 plus SP of umbrella 400. In umbrella 15% loss, so minus 15% of 400. Now this equals to 800 plus 15 by 100 into 800 plus 400 minus 15 by 100 into 400. Now it becomes 800 plus 120 plus 400 minus 60. Now this equals to 920 plus 340. This equal to rupees 1260. Since total CP is 1200, total SP is 1260. So there is profit. Therefore, profit percent equal to total SP minus total CP all upon total CP into 100%. This equal to total SP 1260. Total CP 1200 all upon 1200 into 100%. Now it becomes 5%. So our profit percent is 5% in the whole transaction. In the whole transaction. Now, question number 12B. On 12B, the question is: a farmer bought a goat. A farmer bought a goat for rupees 15,000 and a crow for rupees and a cow for rupees 35,000. If he sold the goat, if he sold the goat 10% profit and cow 8 20% loss. Fine is profit or loss percent in whole transaction. Now it's also here. Total CP equals to CP of good plus CP of cow equals to rupees. CP of good is 15,000. CP of cow is 35,000. That is rupees 50,000. Okay, students, total CP equal to CP of good plus CP of cow. 15,000 plus 35,000, that is 50,000. Now, total SP of good plus SP of cow, that is in good there is 10% profit, so SP of good is CP 15,000 plus 10% of 15,000 plus SP of cow CP 35,000 plus in cow there is 20% also minus 20% of 35,000. Now this equals to 15,000 plus 10% of 50,000, 10 by 100 into 15,000 plus 25,000 minus 20% of this, 20 by 100 into 25,000. It becomes 15,000 plus 10%, that is 15,000 plus 1,500 plus 25,000 minus, that is 20%, that is 5 and this will cancel. 350 into 20, that is 7,000. Now this equals to 15,000 plus 1,500, 16,500 plus 35,000 minus 7,000, that is 28,000. Now it becomes 28,000 plus 16,000. Rupees 42,500. Since total CP is 50,000, total SP is 42,500. So SP is less than CP. There is loss. Therefore, loss percent equal to CP minus SP all upon CP into 100%. This equal to total CP, that is 50,000 minus total SP 42,500 all upon total CP 50,000 into 100%. Now it becomes 11%. So is loss percent is 11% in the whole transaction. In the whole transaction. Okay, students, we have completed exercise 1 all question. This was for today. Have a nice time. See you soon.